Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ringke product review video. Appreciate your time, your support. Huge shout out to Ringke for sending me the Easy Slide tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You get two tempered glass screen protectors. So if you accidentally mess one up, and I just can't see that happening, you do have another. On the back, you get the install instructions. So please read everything. In this video, after the install is said and done, we're going to try out a few cases to make sure there's no lifting, just anything on the negative that could possibly happen after a tempered glass screen protector install. Got the Covert 7 from Ghostek, the Ringke Fusion magnetic clear case here. I got the Nillkin Nature TPU Pro magnetic clear case. And a case that I have not reviewed yet, the UAG 18-foot drop tested built-in magnet compatible with magnet accessories made from recycled materials. The Pathfinder Clear, you do get a wrist lanyard included. On the back, a lot of information here. Feather-light composite construction, built-in magnet compatible with magnet accessories, enhanced quarter protection, tactile grip. Case is made from 25% recycled materials. Now, the purpose of using other cases from different companies outside of the Ringke Fusion magnetic clear case here is to make sure that if you are using a case from a different company, it's going to work with this Ringke Easy Slide tempered glass screen protector. So let's begin the process, speed up the video a little bit here, and then we'll test those cases out, and we'll do a touch response as well. There is the possibility that you might have to reset your fingerprint. Sometimes that's just a normal step that you have to take. All right, enough talking. Let's do this. All right, everything looks great. There's going to be a little bit of a space between the edge of the Easy Slide tempered glass screen protector and any of the cases that you choose to use with your S25 Ultra We're going to start with the Fusion magnetic case from Ringke, both products from Ringke, so we shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. Fingerprint reader works fast with the Easy Glide glass protector. No lifting whatsoever. Just enough space between the glass protector with the Fusion magnetic clear case from Ringke. So that is really nice to see. No touch response issues with the Easy Slide. Yeah, that's nice to see. Okay, so let's take off Fusion there. Here we have the Clear Nature TPU Pro magnetic case from Nillkin. Again, just enough space. There's a bubble right there, and that's irking me. Anyway, so yeah, just enough space all the way around. No issues whatsoever. No lifting. Great case. I have reviews for all the cases that are in this video, so you can go check those out. All right. They come off pretty darn easy too. The Covert 7 from Ghostek. I'm going to use that light there all the way across. Okay, last but not least, the UAG Pathfinder. I already went through all the information, so let's just get into the packaging here, which is a very nice presentation. Got the lanyard, and all right, there we go. You want to take the little loop there and bend it as sharp as you can and go through either one of those cutouts. So going in is going to be easy. It's coming through the other side. Okay. Look at that. Just a little patience. That's all it takes. Put it through the loop like that. Okay. And voila. Now, the official name of the case is the Active Lava Case. Got that fluorescent octagon magnet area there, which is really, really nice. The inside, you got that honeycomb design, yet still nice and smooth at the same time. You got that frosted matte areas where the honeycomb design is, and the see-through area of the inside back that is made of hard plastic polycarbonate material. TPU sides, top, bottom, give you a nice flexibility. Corners will have pockets to absorb shock if you were to drop your S25 Ultra on the ground sporting the Active Lava Case Pathfinder. Yeah, that is nice. That is really nice. All right, let's go ahead And make sure first we don't have any issues with the Ringke Easy Glide tempered glass screen protector. You can see right down in the corner there, just enough space between the protector and the lip of the Pathfinder. Yeah, just enough. Recessed area for the combo earpiece and speaker up top right there. Yeah, no lifting, folks. No lifting. Lots and lots of lip surrounding the front display with the Easy Slide tempered glass screen protector. That adds a little thickness and height, and still the lip rising above. Flat surface a little bit rough. Good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. On the back, plenty of lip and depth surrounding those cameras, and you will have enough space if you want to purchase some camera glass lens protectors for those of you that are really rough with your smartphones and you're setting down on a really rough surface. Flat, a little bit rough, you're good to go. No issues there. Power button, volume rocker. Very nice. Volume rocker. Everything is responsive. You don't even have to reset your fingerprint. Well, maybe you might, but I didn't have to. At the bottom, huge cutout for the USB Type-C charging port and bottom mic, huge cutout for the speaker area, and a huge cutout there for your S Pen. Boom. Boom. Very nice. Very nice. Cutout up top, exposing the two top mics. Wireless charging. Bam, right there. Turn off the display. Right there.
Where is my Anchor magnetic wireless charging pad? It was on the ground. How it got down there, I don't know.
Boom! Just like that, folks. Let's do that again. The Active Lava Case from UAG. It's a thumbs up with the Ringke Easy Slide tempered glass screen protector. So is the Culvert 7 from Ghostek. The Nillkin Nature TPU magnetic case and the Fusion magnetic case. All clear cases. Well, these two completely clear, but they're in the clear family. All of them work with the Easy Slide tempered glass screen protector from Ringke, and that is a huge thumbs up. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. Anything that was in this video, all of that will be down below in the description area. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Ringke, thank you so much for the opportunity. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.